back to a new video, a new vlog. It is currently 1:17 and your girl is outside literally getting some food for me and my boo. I'm at cookout. I have no idea what I'm finna get. Finna be with him, finna chill, watch a stream. I don't know if we finna do this hot shift, but if we do, I'm definitely gonna record my reaction. I'm kind of scared. If we don't, then whenever we do it, I'm gonna record my reaction for sure. I'm happy right now. I'm so happy. I haven't seen him since Sunday, so I'm very excited. Yeah, so I probably won't come back on the camera no more tonight. I will see y'all tomorrow when I go outside and make me some extra money. Why is it ghetto? It's so ghetto. Hello, can I have 2 big double burger trays out west style? No onions but cheese. And can I have chicken nuggets and Cajun fries? Lemonade. And can I have cookout sauce and barbecue? And a side of nuggets? It is now Saturday. I made it back home in time to get my order completed, and now I'm literally a couple seconds away from the post office. I'm so hyped. I finished the video, and yeah, we about to go drop this off real quick, and then I'm back in the house. It feels so good outside though, but I don't have anything to do today. I'm gonna come back out in like probably around like 4:35 and see if I can make some money. All right, as soon as I pull up by the restaurants I got an order, and she just bought it out. This one is $6.75 and it's like 2 point something miles. You don't have to go far at all. I'm gonna go that way. All right, let's go. Is anybody coming? No one's coming. Let's back out. Bro, this food smells so good. I haven't had Chili's since like last year, and I think when I came to Chili's I had It's Just Wings. I didn't have like actual Chili's. It's been a minute. I remember we used to go there all the time for our birthdays. We used to get the Alfredo, some type of Alfredo. But yeah, we on the way to drop this off. Today has been a great day. It started off a little rocky because I really didn't want to go to work, but it turned out great. Like, I started to feel better once my trainer was like, Sha'Naya, I am proud of you. You have improved since Friday. He was like, I don't know what you did, what you told yourself, but you have improved a lot. And I was like, I don't know what happened. For one, the calls haven't been that complicated. Today, I would say I had some chill people. One lady was real nice. She had a crazy issue, but she was nice to me. And she was talking about the singer Sha'Naya Twain. So I was telling her my mom named me after the singer. But I never listened to the lady music before. I might actually listen to it since I'm out here. Why not? It was only one person I felt like had an attitude, and that was probably like the second to last call, because his phone was breaking up. I don't know why these, I was about to curse. I don't know why these people get attitudes. Like, bro, we're on the phone, we're not in person. Sometimes the phone breaks up. So I'm like asking him questions, and he's slick getting smart with me. So I'm like, okay, let me hurry up and get off this phone with this man, because I don't want to have to do it to him, because I do it to him. Okay, he don't know me. Yeah, he don't know me. I do it to him for real. Don't get no attitude with me. He was getting slick and snappy. Like, sir, relax. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to understand you so I can help you. Don't get slick with me, because once I get slick back, it's not gonna be pretty. All right, so I just took my next order on Uber. It's 2 people and it is only $13.48, but it's only 3.1 miles. So I'm like, let's do it, because it is slow out here. And it's at Juan's. Let's go to Juan's and pick this up. We are finally out of there. That took 18 minutes. I gotta make sure I put this straw with the right order. Sean. I don't know why, but I just be feeling so loved when a person call me baby or dear or sweetie. The lady in there, she was like, you're welcome, baby. So I said thank you. It just made me feel so warm inside. Like, it was just so sweet. So sweet. Here's the food. Big bag. Bruh, I wish this was my food right now. I might have to get me some Mexican this weekend. I was peeking in the bag a little bit. Just looking at the top, I'm like, bro, that food look good. Okay. And I'm hungry. I had made my egg rolls for me and my boo last night. So I was eating the rest that I had. It was so good. I ain't gonna lie, I did season them a lot, so they was a little salty, but they was still good. They was definitely, come on, bruh. They was definitely still good. They was just extra salty. I was being a little heavy handed. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. All right, can I go? I'm gonna go. Don't hit me. I'm honestly just chatting right now. I need to be quiet, bro. I have so much to do this week, like so much, and I'm gonna get it all done. Like so much. I'm gonna edit all 3 of these videos. I'm gonna get all 3 of them up this week. Then I gotta fulfill that order, film a video for that order, and get that order shipped out. I'm gonna ship that order out on Wednesday. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, ship out on Wednesday. Then I gotta come outside and make some more money. Then I still gotta go to work. The schedule is packed, and y'all finna come along with me for this packed ass schedule, okay? I'm serious. We finna get it all done, like productive Sha'Naya O'Shea, okay? That's me. That's me. Have a great week. I'm happy to be back outside. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I'm just doing what I want to do. I'll put it like that. For me, I'm at a point in my life when I don't feel like doing something. I don't feel like I don't want to do it. I did not feel like doing it, bro. I did not feel like getting up out of my bed and talking on the phone to anybody. I just didn't want to. Before I got out the bed, I had got a text message, and of course I opened it, and it said that I had finally been approved for Spark. So I'm sitting there hype as hell, like, what? No way. Been sending me messages for months telling me that I was still on the wait list. So I'm like, okay, we finally got approved. But then I was thinking, like, bro, how am I finna do this? Because I don't have time for anything. When I get off of work, the day is basically over. The only thing I can do is go outside and do a couple, like 2 or 3 DoorDash orders before it slows down. So I don't have time to do anything. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I could wake up early and go out, but I do need to get some sleep. So I don't really have time to do anything, and I don't like that. I don't like for my time to be limited. I don't have time to really edit. It's like, in order to make time to edit, I would have to stay up later, and I'd be tired. I'd be sleepy. So I feel like this is my life, and I have to do what I feel is best for me, and I want to keep doing stuff to get to where I want to be in life. And like I said, I do enjoy doing YouTube, and I can't just slack off because of a freaking job that I don't want to do anyways. I get to a point where I don't want to get out of my bed, then okay, it's time for me to stop doing that. I ain't even been doing it for long, but no, if I don't want to do it, I'm not going to force myself to do it. I'm just going to do whatever I have to do to make sure that I'm good. And I'm going to be good. I'm going to be honest, I think everything is a sign. So I think that me getting that text message this morning was a sign that everything is going to be okay. And I was good to not go back to that job. Back outside, and I'm happy. Like, I don't know. I got to a point where I don't like being in the house all day, or at least just having to sit in one spot all day. I don't like it. That doesn't make me happy at all. Whenever I take my first order, I guess I will come back and check in. This one is just a pickup and deliver order. I don't have to do no shopping, and it's $31.19, and it's 2 customers, 8.2 miles, so not bad at all. So I'm back at Walmart. I dropped off the first 2 orders, and I guess I gotta wait 24 hours for the tip to actually stick. I do not know how the money work up here, but I'm on my second one now, and this one is 2061, 7.2 miles, and they said it's a freaking extra large order, so I'm kind of scared because I don't know what I'm finna be carrying for real. Maybe it's saying extra large because it's waters. I don't know. Oh wait, it's 5 o'clock. I gotta upload my video now. This might be my last order for Spark. I think I'm gonna go down my way and do some DoorDash, and then I'll be back out early tomorrow. So it is now 6:22, and I decided to come down by the restaurants, and they just be capping. Like, bro, it is not busy down here. It's not busy at all. I'm trying to wait on my boo to call me back because I think we're about to have a mukbang. I think a mukbang on FaceTime. So I'm trying to wait until he called back, but I'm hungry and my head is starting to hurt. And y'all know how I did a Mexican food delivery yesterday, so that's what I think I'm gonna get. But he did say we might get like the same thing, like from the same place or something, so I don't know. But I really want some Mexican food. We got an order. This one is $6.50 and it's at Chili's, and it's only 2.9 miles. Here is the food. Chimichanga. Got the rice with the beans. Bro, this looks so good.
Oh yeah, you know I got the chips and salsa.
Me too, man.
Good tip. You already eating? Look at this shit. This shit warm, supreme. Don't look at me.
Bro, shut up.
Possibilities. Hey, I wish I could just pick this burrito up and damn, it ain't enough room. Nigga, I need a table in this bitch. No, this shit really got everything in it. Thought it was lying.
Well, it's falling apart.
How can I lose if I'm already told? Like, if people are hot, I'm gonna make the bitch broke and I get it.
What?
And I get it, and I fold. Damn.
It is now November 9th, Wednesday, and it is currently 11:27. I literally just accepted my first order, and this one is $22.36. The customer left a $15 tip. It's on Spark. So I guess I have to wait because it says suggested arrival time is 12:15. So this is actually very early. So I'm about to just sit here and continue watching the video and editing my video since I have nothing else to do. And then after I complete this order, I'll have 3 trips done. I should get the extra $75. Complete 3 trips to earn an extra $75. I'll make sure I put it on the screen so y'all can see. And they better not be capping. I'm still waiting to hear back from them. I sent them an email. I sent them 2 emails early this morning because I never received a link for the app that I'm supposed to like get my earnings on. If they do not answer by tomorrow, then I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna stay up here for a couple hours, and then maybe around like 3:30 I might go back down my way. It honestly depends. I do have stuff that I have to do at home. I want to get a video filmed and get these products ready to go. So I guess I just have to see what happens. But once I go back down that way, I'm not coming back up here. I'm just gonna stay down that way and do DoorDash and Uber. And if there is some orders on Instacart, then we can add in Instacart as well. Okay, so I am at Walmart. As y'all can see, I'm in spot 1. I just confirmed my arrival, so now I'm just waiting for them to come out and bring me all the stuff. It says 44 items, 100 units. And it says it's a medium order. But the good thing about this is that I'm literally 3.2 miles, so I'm not far at all. But yeah, so this is the first order of the day. Hopefully we'll be able to get something afterwards.